So here is question number 31, everyone. The figure shows the snapshot of vibrating string at time t equal to 0. The particle P is observed moving down with velocity 10 cm per second. The tangent at P makes an angle 45 degree with x-axis. The equation of wave, where t is in s and x is in centimeter, will be what? Now, the equation of wave can be given as y equals a sine omega t minus kx plus phi if the wave is traveling along positive x-axis as shown in figure. Now, velocity of particle we can calculate. Velocity of particle equals minus of slope multiplied by velocity of wave. Velocity of particle given in the question, that is 10. So since it is moving down with velocity 10 cm per second, so minus 10 equals minus slope, that is 1045 into VW. So from here we got the value of VW as 10 cm per second. We know very well omega by k is known as wave velocity, that is 10. So from here we have got the value of omega, that is 10 into k, that is 2 pi by lambda. Lambda will be here 2. Since lambda is equal to 2, therefore omega will be 10 pi. We have got the value of omega, we have got the value of k. Now we have to calculate initial phase phi. At t equal to 0 and x equal to 0, the displacement along y is 5 equals amplitude 10 sine 0 plus 0 plus phi. So sine phi we have got 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. Therefore phi will be pi by 6. Now therefore we can write the equation without any doubt. Y equals a, that is 10 sine kx minus omega t. So k is 2 pi by lambda, that is simply pi x. So kx minus omega t, that is 10 pi t, plus phi, that is pi by 6. So this is the equation ultimately we will get. Now let us check the options. Fourth option is perfectly matching, so we can go with this fourth option, which is absolutely correct. Now move on to the next, that is 32. So here is question number 32, everyone. 3 wires of identical length, diameter and material are stretched in a sonometer box. The ratio of tension is 1:4:9. Then the ratio of their respective fundamental frequency is. We know very well the expression for fundamental frequency is given by 1 by 2L under root T by mu. Now since it is given that length, diameter, material, everything is constant, it means F is directly proportional to under root of temperature. So if T1 is 2, T2 is 2, T3 has the ratio 1:4:9, it means F1 is 2, F2 is 2, F3 will have the ratio under root 1:, under root 4:, under root 9, that is 1:2:3. Option number 2 is perfectly matching, so we'll proceed with option number 2 only. Now move on to the next, that is 33 number. So here is question number 33, everyone. In the circuit shown below, the value of output voltage V0 is, diode is ideal, and maximum value of input voltage is greater than this given R, clearly given in the question. Now see, if input voltage is lying in the range of 0 to VR, then what will happen? The diode will be in reverse bias. Diode will be in reverse biased. If diode is in reverse bias, it will be open circuited. You will get the output as same as the input. So V output is equal to V in from 0 to VR. It means from 0 to VR, the graph may be something like this. This is VR. We are getting same waveform of output as input. Now if V input is greater than VR, then forward biased. And in case of forward bias, what will happen? It will be short circuited, diode will be short circuited, and we will get output what? This as output. If it is short circuited, means if diode is short circuited, then the voltage across these 2 points will be what? Same VR. So in that case, V output will be same as VR. Means V output will be constant and equals to VR. So up to this value, it will be VR. Now at this values of V input, what is happening? At this value of V input, what is happening? The first case again comes. So we are getting output same as input. Again, in negative region, it is reverse bias. And if it is reverse bias, then we will get the outputs same as input. So option number 1 is perfectly matching. So we can go with option number 1. Now move on to the next, that is 34 number. So here is question number 34, everyone. The PT graph, pressure versus temperature graph, for a given mass of an ideal gas is shown in figure. Select the correct option. Now see, A to B process. First of all, pressure is constant, P constant, and temperature is increasing. We know very well volume is directly proportional to temperature. If temperature increase, volume will increase. Read the option number 1. T increases, V decreases. Goes wrong. Go for BC process. In BC process, temperature is constant. And if temperature constant, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. If you increase the pressure, volume decrease. What is happening here? Pressure is decreasing. So volume should increase. Pressure decreases, volume increases. And we have to pick up the correct option. So we can go with option number 2. Now we can discuss third and fourth options. Process CD, a straight line between PT graph, it means pressure directly proportional to temperature for constant volume. So V increases, P decreases. No, volume has no effect or pressure has no effect on volume. So third is also wrong. In process DA, D2A, what is happening? Pressure is increasing. If pressure increase, temperature constant, volume should decrease. Boyle's law. Again wrong. So option number 2 is correct. We can go with option number 2. Move on to the next, that is 35 number. So here is question number 35, everyone. The current in the circuit shown in figure will be what? Now V is given, so I will be what? V by Z. Z we can calculate. This is R, this is XL. Both are equal to 1. So Z we can write under root 2. Both are equal to 1, so this angle will be what? 45 degree. Or we can write pi by 4. Here is voltage, here is current, because inductive circuit. Voltage will lead, current will lag. Equation can be written I equals V naught sine omega t plus pi by 4. Now this is the V naught. Current is lagging by pi by 4 angle. So pi by 4 we have to subtract, divided by Z. This goes I naught. So I equals I naught sine pi by 4 cancel, omega t. Option number 2 is perfectly matching, so we can go with option number 2 only. Move on to the next, that is 36 number.